Okay, let's give you the option if you want to do the phone dock. Bye bye, Helen. Okay, 3 bits of timber, 12 mil by, well, let's do 220, exactly the same. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Let's do 12 mil by 220. We're going to cut that at 65 mil high. Okay, there's the first bit of timber for our timber dock. I'm going to make that a component. Oh. No, I will give it a name. I'll call this one back. I'm going to move and make my 3, and I'll show you a little tip, life hack, Control Z. Okay, so if you watched the last tutorial, you would have seen me move things, press Control and duplicate. Okay, that's a really useful tool instead of redoing things all the time. So select it, move it. Now press Control, but watch, when I click on that corner, I'm going to type in 2x 2 times. So look at that, I've made all 3 in one go. I could have done, have a look here, if I took, let's take this and see if this kills my computer. Let's go move all 3, press Control. I'm going to make a set of stairs. Okay, actually I'm making this way, like that, and I'm going to type 10 times. Bang. I can do that to make some really cool shapes, and it also makes my life easier. Remember, this is all about making life easier. There we go. Delete. Okay, you'll have 3 bits of timber in your sweaty hands in the workshop, cut almost to length. You'll have the front down here and the middle. Actually, I won't do anything with the back because there goes the bell. Oh, okay, I won't do anything with the back because it's going to be perfectly blank. So you probably pick the worst bit of timber, or the least aesthetically pleasing bit. Okay. Actually, no, tell you a lie. No one's going to see the piece in the middle. Pick your worst bit of timber for the middle, unless it's got big knots and stuff in there. Okay. Each one of these has to be unique because they're all going to be different. So click on that, make unique. Click on that, make unique, and not to worry about names. Okay. The first middle bit. Let's work out where our phone's going to go. I'm going to measure my phone. Bang, bang, bang. 80 millimeters wide my phone is. So I'm going to double click on there, and I'm going to draw. Well, actually, watch what I do here. I'm going to draw from that side over here to this side. I can see down the bottom left hand corner that it's 12, but I'm going to type in 80, 12. I'm going to do something here that I haven't done in the last drawing. Double click. So I double clicked on the face and it picked the whole rectangle. Now I'm going to move and I'm going to find the center. Ooh, midpoint gone blue, and I'm going to drag it along. Now if I don't want to drag it up and down, okay, so I'm going to try to lock it in there by holding shift. Now, as I hold shift, it'll go along that face and it won't go up and down, and I'll come down to, look, they're all aligned, so I'll come down here, midpoint, there you go, it's in the middle. You're going to mark that out in pencil on your timber. So look how easy this was. Double click to go back into edit mode, push pull. I'd say you want to come down 20 millimeters to hold your phone. Your phone will go into that space there. You'll drill 2 holes in the middle of these places here. So to find the middle, I'm going to do exactly what I would do in the woodwork room. We're going to draw a line from this corner to this corner, and this corner to this corner. That gives me the dead center. So let's drill some holes. Let's drill maybe 32 mil radius, so that would be let's do 38, 19. Okay, so type in the radius there of 19 is at 38 mil diameter, and I might show you another shortcut. I'll do this, take all 4 quadrants and move it from the center. Press Control, duplicate, keep it along the green. I can keep it along the green by holding Shift, and I move my pointer up here and find the center. Okay, in Woodwork, you're going to draw 2 lines and find the center that way. But CAD's easier than real life, isn't it? I'm going to delete all those and this. Okay, so you're going to drill some holes through there, all the way through. So see, I clicked on that face. Because I moved this one, here's a little problem. Because I moved this one, sometimes this doesn't happen. Okay, I'm going to pick that face, this line, right click and go intersect with selection. Let's see if that fixes it. Yep. Okay, happens sometimes. I'm going to bring it in that far. I could go click once, and I know it's 12, type in 12. Okay, the speaker for my phone is on this side, but you know, the next phone I get might have it somewhere else, so why don't I just do another rectangle over here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give it, say, 14 mil from each side, like here. Click on that corner, 14, 12, and then I'm going to cut that out, maybe down right to the bottom, like that. Okay, so my phone's going to sit along here, rest on those 2 edges, and let's draw in some lines. Right to the edge, zoom in. Let's go up maybe 10 mil, 10, 10. Bring this over till it touches a circle. Why don't I just do it all this way? And then I'll delete what I don't want. Let's see if this works. I've still got some little bits on there I'm going to delete. There we go. My phone's going to sit in there, the music's going to come out here, and I'll need to get the music out the front somehow. So let's put this back. Okay, the music has to come out there. Oh, if I hover over, I can see it. That looks pretty good. Okay, I know I can bring it out like this. And you're going to do your own design, but if I wanted, I could do, I'll do one bigger. So instead of 19, I'll go 25. And I'll do one smaller. Instead of 19, I'll go 16. And I'll show you the difference. Cut this one in, 12 mil. Cut this one in, 12 mil. Okay. Now, this is where CAD is useful to you, because if I cut that hole bigger than the inside, I'm going to see this whole lip, and if that was very messy, that wouldn't look very good. I tend to cut it smaller, like this, so all that detail there is hidden away. I'll show you if I can bring it on here. Let's go to that move again. There you go, you can see it like that. That looks good. I'll let you decide, but you may want to cut little pictures in there, something like that. Okay, that is the initial passive speaker. You'll need to measure your phone and change the design accordingly. You know what? We might put some rounds up here while we're waiting. Double click. With rectangle. Oops. Maybe a little bigger. Maybe 15 by 15. Over here. Maybe 15 by 15. Actually, we'll do two types. We'll do so what we call a fillet, and over here we'll do a chamfer. Chamfer is at 45 degrees.